Hi, my name's Dr. Christina Rahm, and this is Zero In. I've worked on a lot of nootropics and a lot of adaptogenics, and what that means is I've worked on a lot of formulas that really impact or are aimed at impacting the brain. But here's the thing about a nootropic or an adaptogenic. It helps you focus for cognitive functioning as well as overall performance. I worked on this for sexual performance at first, and then the more I worked on it, the more I noticed when I added ingredients like pine bark and velvet bean, along with the L-theanine and L-tyrosine, it started impacting overall health with the people that were taking it. We have tons of case studies. We can't claim to change someone's life or to even make everything better. But this product is used to really help you focus and zero in. I take one every day. Some people think it also helps them sleep better because it helps the body adapt so that it can really fall asleep. For me, it gives me energy, so I take it in the morning. You see, everybody's different. That's why I love nootropics and adaptogenics. They adapt to people's bodies because of the way they're formulated. I think this is one of our best products. I think it's been able to help people. We even have patients that have ADHD, and even though we never claim that we're fixing that issue, we're here to support whatever issue people have by giving them the nutrients and vitamins and minerals they need to really help them with overall prevention, wellness, and healthcare.